Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a product into your FreshBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a product into your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you send out invoices, it can be time consuming to recreate a product every time. And with FreshBooks, you can create a product so that we can easily add it into your invoice in the future date. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a product so you can easily add it into your invoices, here on the left, you're going to click on this button here, Items and Services. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the different products that you offer through FreshBooks. You can see I have two right here. Now, in order to add a new product, you're going to click up here on Create New. Once you do that, you can choose between an item or a service. So that really depends on your type of company. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add an item. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and add a product. So first you want to go ahead and name your product. So we can just maybe type in patio build. And then here we can go ahead and add a description about this product. So basic patio or backyard wood. Okay. And income account, we're going to put it under sales, and then the rate, how much are you charging for that? So let's go ahead and say we're charging $4,500. Here you can go ahead and add taxes if that applicable to your area. So let's just say 10%, and let's do Los Angeles County sales. No room. So LA County sales. Okay. And then apply taxes. Okay. So if you have a limited amount of inventory, you can go ahead and track inventory here. I'm not going to do that because this is just one product we're adding in. And then next you want to click on save. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that is in my product list right here, patio build. So that way, when we are putting together an invoice for one of our customers, instead of typing that out every single time, I can easily just click on patio build and it will add that in. Now, don't worry if you add it in immediately into your invoice, you can edit the price still, but at least this gives it a flat form, and that way you don't have to type it up every single time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a product into your FreshBooks account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.